Welcome to Law Made Simple, your go-to channel for clear legal guidance. Today, we're exploring consumer court cases, step-by-step guide. This is for anyone who has faced poor service or defective goods. We'll show you how to protect your rights under the Consumer Protection Act. From legal notice to judgment, you'll learn each stage in detail. By the end, you'll know exactly how to approach consumer court with confidence. Let's get started. Introduction. Law Made Simple helps you understand your legal rights as a consumer. Every buyer deserves fair treatment and quality products or services. When these expectations are not met, the law offers a remedy. The Consumer Protection Act provides a simple legal route for justice. We will cover who can file, where to file, and how the process works. This guide simplifies a procedure that many people find confusing. Let's begin with understanding who can file a consumer complaint. Who can file a consumer complaint? Law Made Simple explains that the law is broad in defining consumers. Any person buying goods or services for personal use can file. You must have faced a genuine defect, deficiency, or unfair practice. Legal heirs of a deceased consumer can continue a complaint. Consumer associations may represent members in court. Even multiple consumers with a common grievance can file jointly. The important part is having proof that you are affected. When to approach consumer court? Law Made Simple says you should approach the court for genuine disputes. Common examples include defective products or poor services. You can also file for overcharging, false advertising, or fraud. Home buyers often approach courts for possession delays. The law protects against unfair trade practices in many forms. Make sure you have documents and evidence to support your claim. If your case is genuine and timely, you can seek justice here. Jurisdiction of consumer courts. Law Made Simple explains that jurisdiction depends on claim value. District commissions handle matters up to 50 Indian rupees lakh. State commissions deal with cases from 50 Indian rupees lakh to 2 Indian rupees crore. The National Commission hears claims above 2 Indian rupees crore. File your complaint in the correct forum to avoid dismissal. You can choose to file where the seller is based or where the cause arose. Knowing your jurisdiction ensures faster resolution of your case. Step 1. Send a legal notice. Law Made Simple advises always starting with a legal notice. This written notice explains your grievance to the seller or provider. It gives them 15 to 30 days to correct the issue. Send it through registered post or a verifiable method. Keep a copy and proof of delivery for your records. Sometimes disputes are resolved without going to court. If ignored, you can proceed to the next step, filing a complaint. Step 2. Draft the complaint. Law Made Simple says a good complaint is clear, complete, and supported. Mention the names and addresses of both parties. Describe the facts of the case and what went wrong. Explain how this caused you loss or inconvenience. Specify the relief you want: refund, replacement, or compensation. Attach relevant bills, emails, or contracts as evidence. Sign and date the complaint before moving to filing. Step 3. File the complaint. Law Made Simple guides you through the filing process. Submit the complaint to the appropriate consumer forum. Include copies of all documents and your affidavit. Pay the prescribed court fee based on claim amount. The court will review and issue notice to the opposite party. Filing correctly helps avoid unnecessary delays. Now the matter proceeds to hearing and evidence. Step 4. Hearing and evidence. Law Made Simple explains the court hearing stage. Both sides present their evidence and arguments. You may appear yourself or hire a lawyer. Provide documents, photographs, or witness statements. The court may call experts for technical opinions. Stay calm, polite, and focused during proceedings. A well-prepared case increases your chance of success. Step 5. Judgment and enforcement. Law Made Simple says once both sides are heard, the court delivers judgment. If you win, the order will grant the relief you sought. This may include refund, replacement, or compensation. If the opposite party refuses to comply, seek execution of the order. Consumer court judgments are binding under the law. Noncompliance can result in penalties or even jail. Always follow up until the order is fully enforced. Tips for a successful case. Law Made Simple shares some final tips for success. Keep all receipts, contracts, and correspondence safe. File within 2 years from the date of the cause. State facts simply. Avoid exaggerations or guesswork. Organize your evidence for easy presentation. Be consistent in your statements and claims. Preparation and proof are your strongest allies in court. Conclusion and call to action. This was Law Made Simple, your trusted legal guide. Consumer courts are designed to protect everyday people like you. If you've been cheated or received poor service, take action. The law offers you a quick and affordable remedy. Know your rights, gather your evidence, and proceed confidently. If you found this guide useful, please like, share, and subscribe to Law Made Simple. Click the bell icon to stay updated with more easy-to-understand legal guides.